up, guys? It's Brian with Bloom. We're here in Scottsdale. You see Top Golf right here. Let me show you what we're doing today. We're doing a commercial property, and we're going to be doing all the carpet in here. As you can see, we're going to be a lot of cubicles, a lot of areas where people are just in their chair, making a lot of traffic. We're doing about like 3,000 square feet of carpet here, a little bit less, but let me kind of show you. We're already done with all that, and I just have this area left. So I kind of want to show you what you see in like the office setting a lot is this little circle, and sometimes it's already worn down. We do recommend to put a mat right there, but if you don't, I mean, that's okay too. It's just gonna wear down a little faster, but just want to show you how cleaning would look like. Guys, there's still a little bit of traffic right here. It might be traffic, it might be worn down, but we're gonna try our best. And when I say that, we literally mean try our best by doing it again. And so let's see what we got. Alrighty, guys, so sometimes we got to do it 2-3 times. We'll spray it again, do it again, and sometimes it's just worn down. There's nothing that we can do about that, but we will try our best. And you can see right here how much better it came out with that second pass. And yeah, guys, if you want somebody that's going to try their best at every cleaning and do it right the first time, reach out to us. Thanks. Let me show you another one right here. You see a difference. You can see a shadow right here from this casting a shadow over there, so you got to kind of ignore that. But this, guys, you see the difference there. What a difference. If you guys are looking for commercial carpet cleaning for your warehouse, office, reach out to Brian with Bloom.